This is how we're going to carry it. This is probably not the best way of doing it. But we have a rope wrapped around once, going around. Can you lift your arm?
Yeah.
Going around. Is it on your shoulders? It's hardened. Is it already hurting? And it's going up here to me. So I don't know how this is going to work. Are you ready? Here we go.
Are we? You're going to film this. It's whacking me.
Why is it closer to you?
I don't know.
Oh, watch out for the branch. Watch out for the branch back there.
Okay.
We're going way down there to that corner. So, anyone watching this, I'm like moving the camera all over the place. And they're gonna go all kinds of.
It's easier to carry on the gravel.
Yes. Is that a bird in that yard?
Oh.
Yeah, that's a bird.
Oh. It's a cardinal.
My neck. How's your neck?
It really hurts.
Yeah.
It's gonna kill us. Do you think we should grab it like farther towards the middle?
And then what? What if it flips down and the point
No.
hits?
It's like
Oh,
it's banging me.
crap.
I can't do anything when I'm laughing. But it keeps banging me in the back of the leg.
Okay. We are stopping the video because I have to make an adjustment because my neck is killing me. Alright, my neck is killing me. I gotta, oh, ow.
You have a stick on your